What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to fix your fan if it's not spinning. I have a standing fan right here which happens to not spinning anymore. I'm going to show you how I'm able to fix it easily. As you can see, when I press on the first speed of the fan, it has 3 speed right here. You can see the fan is barely spinning. If you go to speed number 2, it'll spin much faster, but it's still not fully spinning like you want it to be. Speed 3 will sometimes kickstart the motor and make your fan functioning as usual, but sometimes it may not work as well. So I'm going to show you a solution right here. So all you need is get from any store, from Walmart, or you can purchase it online. The 3-in-1 oil. You can look for an all-purpose oil. However, you cannot use WD-40 for this, as it will only help you temporary, but not for the long term. I'm using this oil right here. So firstly, you want to turn off all the plugs, all the electrical sources. Then you want to head over and open up the front part of the fan. There's a lid usually at the bottom, depending on your fan model. Once you've taken off the front part, you want to take out the fan right now. So if you zoom it closer, to loosen up the screw, you have to turn it clockwise. Or to tighten it, you have to turn it anti-clockwise. So we're gonna just turn it clockwise to loosen up the screw so you can take off the fan. If you're having trouble to open this, I would recommend you to use a plier or a wrench so you can open up the fan. So once it is out, you want to take out the fan and you come across another thing that you need to open. You need to turn it anti-clockwise. Now you can take out the back part of the fan and it's time to use your oil. I'm going to tilt over the camera right here. You just have to put your oil right in the middle part of the motor right here, and also part of the motor to help the motor spins. So once done, you can try to spin the spindle right here. It's like a long metal cylinder. If you can spin it smoothly, it means that this fan will work. So now it's time to put back the fan together. You just have to put the back part of the fan, the back cage, and screw it up. Then you want to put back the fan and also screw it up back. And finally, the front cage of the fan. Once they're assembled together, you want to turn on the power again and try to click on the first switch. Now your fan will be functioning back as per normal. So hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit it like and also subscribe to the channel if you find this content useful. I'll see you next time.